If you're a man, get it for your wife, your sisters, your girlfriends, all the women in your life. It will help you too. For this weekend's book review, I was looking to review a book on finance that I have read. I considered Rich Dad Poor Dad, but I never really finished that book. I don't think I did. So I was in between two choices now: The Smart Money Woman and The Richest Man in Babylon. I was tempted to review The Richest Man in Babylon because I read The Richest Man in Babylon around the same time I read The Alchemist. And that was my first book review video on this channel, so I said to myself, it's only natural to review The Richest Man in Babylon too. But I will not be reviewing that today. In this video, obviously written in the title, I will be reviewing Smart Money Woman by Arese Ugwu. I am trusting that I pronounced that correctly. Published in 2016. You must have come across the series of The Smart Money Woman on Netflix because it was released on Netflix as a single season with 7 episodes last year. If you're not an avid reader and you love movies and series, you should definitely check it out. It's just, I think, 7 episodes, yes. I don't even consider that to be a long series because I have seen a series of 107 episodes for just season 1. I love series, but we're not here to talk about my love for series. So, The Smart Money Woman. How many times have you looked at your account balance and you just called on Sapa or you just screamed, "Oh, This is how Zuri's story in The Smart Money Woman begins with disbelief on how broke she is, yet to the outside world she was doing okay. The Smart Money Woman is a fictional story centered around a young woman called Zuri and her friends. Tammy, the fashion designer, Lara, the oil and gas executive, Adesua, Adesua, the lawyer, and Ladun, the fabulous housewife. The writing style of this book is amazing. It tells you about the lives of the characters in an easy way you can relate to. For example, it's common to complain about the financial strains of attending events such as birthdays and weddings, as Shoebi have on us. The expectations and standards people feel the pressure to meet. In this book, you'll find scenarios like that, and at the same time, financial nuggets of wisdom. At the end of each chapter, the author explains a certain financial terminology. Right after explaining the financial term, she then gives an exercise for the reader to carry out. For instance, after the first chapter, she explains what it means to be wealthy. She then gives an exercise for the reader to calculate their net worth. She teaches her audience how to be financially free through Zuri's financial encounter. Smart Money Woman mirrors the typical lives of middle-class Africans. The author sets the book in contemporary Lagos. In doing so, it captures the experiences of other middle-class Africans living in other cities. While Zuri is single and independent, her friends have different circumstances. One of our friends believes in dating rich men to take care of her expenses, while the other one is married but is the sole provider of her family. Through each of these characters, the author is able to explain the different aspects of money. She talks about joint accounts, personal accounts, emergency funds, having a will, debts, investments, and wealth creation. I started evaluating my personal finances after reading this book. What is my net worth? Do I have an emergency fund? Am I old enough to have a will? This book answers all these questions. The Smart Money Woman is a short, easy, and interesting read. The mixture of stories, lessons, and exercise at the end of each chapter gives the reader a foundation on personal finance. The exercise at the end of each chapter might look tedious, but it's very helpful and totally worth it. If you are looking for a book on personal finance, then Smart Money Woman should be among your top choices. This book deserves a space in every woman's bookshelf. If you're a man, get it for your wife, your sisters, your girlfriends, all the women in your life. It will help you too. Because reading this book will make them realize they don't have to buy every handbag, shoe, dress they find on Instagram. Smart Money Woman teaches you how to live within your means save, and invest more. It teaches you how to be financially smart, avoid running into debt, and how to account for every coin you make. So I would recommend this book for every woman, young and middle-aged, who is looking to be financially independent. If this is you, start with Smart Money Woman. Have you read Smart Money Woman, or you've seen the series on Netflix? Let me know in the comment section. If you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on Tuesday.